Hello, Ben here with the DIY Homefront, and next to me is an impatient hanging basket. And my wife loves these, but you know what? They require water all the time. They don't like direct sunlight. And this year she's trying something different. Let me show you. So this came in from Amazon, and inside the box came a whole fake impatient hanging basket to include a foam backer and a cutesy little cover, the basket she buys every year, and a bunch of impatiens. Now let me show you what the cheat codes are. That was white originally, and when you put this over it, you could see the white right through it. So the first thing I did is I painted this, and now it no longer sticks out. She did the first one, and it didn't turn out quite like she wanted.
There were big voids between the flowers, and it really did sort of look fake. So she divided up the bundles and pushed in each individual stem with the flower on it.
It looks a lot fuller, and it looks a lot more like what you would expect the basket to look like.
Well, there it is, summer impatience.